Hi guys, hope you're all well. I'm going to try something a little bit different this week. I want to try and make a shallow bowl. I've got a nice oak blank here, I've had for quite a while. So I want to try and make a shallow bowl out of it, but I want to keep the top edge square. So I'll see if I can scallop it out. So yeah, let's mount the mounting plate on it and get it in a lathe and see what we can do. What do you reckon, guys? Do you reckon I could use that into a project? I think I might save some of those for a future project. There you go, guys, just a simple little bowl this week. I've seen a few people make these and I quite like the look of the square edge bowl, so I thought I'd have a go. I've got some 6" by 6" by 3" blanks, you know, laying around, so I thought I'd give it a bash. Just a little tenon in the bottom, just basically so I can hold it in the chuck. I put my logo in there, stamp it. Once I got it to shape, I sanded it with 80 grit, then sand and sealed it the first time, then sanded it again with 80 grit, then sand and sealed it again, sorry, and then I gave it another coat of it with the 80 grit, and then a final with the 240 just to bring up the smoothness of it all. Then as you see, I give it a coat of Yorkshire grit, and then finally the friction polish to give it the shine. So yeah, I'm happy how it's turned out. It looks nice. Thanks for all your guys watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like it. If you like it, please share it to get me out there. To all my subscribers, I appreciate your subscription and your support. And you who followed me from day one, you know what I mean, thank you very much. To all the new people here, please subscribe. We're trying to make the channel grow, and your help really does help. So yeah, that's the project for this week. Fresh new project for next week. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.